My goal is to both help you, love your background, you're very artsy, I can
Thank
tell.
you.
So where do you want to dive in?
We just received a brand that it's for perfumes. This is in United Kingdom,
Okay,
and
hazmat.
the brand got rejected because they were claiming like Gucci inspired or something like that. So they were mentioning brands and they lost the brand registry.
Ouch.
So yeah,
Did they have it on the packaging or was it just on the listing and keywords?
I think just in the listing.
Okay, so this one's recoverable. All you got to do is just remove the Gucci references and then appeal brand registry. Appealing brand registry is a very lengthy process. I lost my Age of Sage brand registry and it was a huge mess. And so I created a very thorough guide. I got to see the lost dogs. I see your dog right there. I got to see the lost dogs of Amazon on a lot of my listings. I was selling tumblers and, you know, they were parody. And so I never got an IP infringement. My account health was 1,000%. But one day, Black Friday, I woke up, they yanked my brand registry, took out my tumblers, full 9 yards. It was not a fun experience. So the good news is that removing a keyword to get brand registry back will not be a challenge. I've never actually heard brand registry being specifically revoked due to using a trademark term that wasn't yours, but I believe Amazon would do it. But the other thing I would ask you is, do they have branded packaging?
Not that I know. I've just seen that they have just the bottles.
They might have lost brand registry just due to branded packaging. The keyword thing might be a separate issue, may not be directly related to brand registry being revoked. So what I would recommend you do is ask the client, ask the brand for a cell phone picture of their branded packaging. And if they come back and it's not on the bottle, it's not on the box, that's the reason brand registry got revoked. Because that's exactly what happened to me. So I was brown boxing tumblers, and then my soaps, the soaps had branded packaging with Age of Sage. These had Age of Sage branding all over them. And so we were able to get the brand registry back because we had the soaps with the Age of Sage logo directly printed on the packaging. But the tumblers were being brown boxed, and they had a problem with that. If the perfume doesn't have the name of the brand either on the product itself or the packaging, that is most likely what caused the brand registry.
Okay.
So let's take a quick look at it. So the brand name is that right there? Okay.
Amoursense.
Is that a sticker?
Yeah.
They may have a problem with the sticker.
Okay.
So what I would do is I would ask the client to take a cell phone picture of how they ship the product in. So maybe there's branded packaging that this goes inside of, but that sticker may be insufficient. Now, the phrase that they're going to throw around is permanently affixed, and a sticker can be removed. Now, a lot of people, when I talk about stickers, they're like, well, what the heck am I supposed to do if, you know, if I'm selling a beverage or something like this Coca-Cola bottle right here, right? But it's permanently affixed in some regard. That sticker right there, if you can just scratch it off with your nail, they may consider that not permanently affixed, and it may create a challenge. Rotate through the image stack. Let's just take a quick peek. Like if there's any embossing, you just go through the full image stack. It all looks like a one-size bottle that they just slap a sticker on. So they might have gotten hit with permanently affixed packaging. That might be the main problem. I think on appeal, you could win it though. You just be like, yeah, the brand's on the packaging right there. And just stone cold defend that. Scroll down. Let's see if there's anything in the A+ content. There probably won't be, but let's just double check. I mean, that middle shot there with the brown, does that look like packaging to you? Let's blow that up. Right click that, open a new tab, and yeah, let's see if we can blow it up. And then just perfect, you're right on top of it. That does not look like branded packaging. Okay. So it's going to come down to whether they'll accept the sticker, and I think you can make a case for that. But that's going to be a painstaking appeal process. Okay, here we go. That looks solid. So my suggestion is get that shot into the image stack, then file the appeal. And that should be a slam dunk, because if it comes in packaging and it's not just a sticker, I think that'll be a slam dunk appeal. Now, if there is in writing, hey, remove your brand registry because you mentioned Gucci, that's a whole different ball game. And then the appeal process will be similar. Hey, we violated it. We've removed it. Please reinstate us. But from my experience, permanently affixed branding has been the primary remover of brand registries in 2024.